ask you things I still don't understand. Answers you gave, I don't comprehend. Things you say, ways you've behaved, nights I've laid next to you awake, trying my best to fall asleep somehow, racking my brains over things you said just now. They hurt so bad, I don't think you realize the impact you have on me. Ooh. Let me hold you to drown the pain that sometimes floods the air I breathe. You think I don't see things you try to hide, feelings you feel, you keep them deep inside. But in your eyes I see every little thing you cannot hide from me. I feel it through your skin. In your eyes I see every little thing. 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 Everything's trembling. All my shelters are opening. Feels like everything's crumbling. All the windows are shattering. Hold your horses, it's too cold to read. Face expressions that mean nothing. Dip your sadness in this bowl till you feel minor changes in your body. Taking, everyone's grabbing, all the women are howling, running, everyone's rushing, all the saviors are frowning. Hold your horses, it's too cold to read. Face expressions that mean nothing. Dip your sadness in this bowl till you feel minor changes in your body. And as you cage the lines in your head makes its way across your bed, and now your mouth can say all the things that made your stomach turn today. It's too cold to read. Face expressions that mean nothing. Dip your sadness in this bowl till you feel minor changes in your body. I thought we could be something special. Hey, I've never been this deep. Usually I'm careful. You took a part of my soul, but I still give you more. All my songs are about you, and I'm still writing more, baby. Why'd you have to take me for granted? I never meant to hurt you, but you just ran out of chances. I guess I gotta walk away, even when I wanna stay, because you just don't love me the same. I'm still sorry, babe, that I couldn't get through to you. We had something real, but I can't change what you feel. I'm still sorry, babe, I'm still sorry. I didn't ask you for much, I just wanted affection. that you forgot what I meant to you, and forgot in the end how to follow through. I'm still sorry, babe. I'm still sorry. I wish I didn't love you. I don't wanna love you. I wish I didn't love you. I don't wanna love you. I wish I didn't love you. I'm still sorry, babe, that I couldn't get through to you. We had something real, but I can't change what you feel. I'm still sorry, babe, that you forgot what I meant to you, and forgot in the end how to follow through. I'm still sorry, babe. I'm still sorry. Why'd you have to take me for granted? I never meant to hurt you, but you just ran out of chances. I guess I gotta walk away, even when I wanna stay, because you just don't love me the same.